is this from?
That's from Woodpecker in 1999.
Woodpecker, I thought that was an animation though.
Yeah, it's an animation, but the animation was made from making a mural.
Oh, you mean it was a life-size animation?
Yes, yes.
Huh.
So this is part of the drawing that wasn't in the video frame.
Okay. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Well, in 1995, we did our first drawing on the Worcester Art Museum.
Yeah.
And they had brought us in to sort of do a display of public art using this fancy new tape art medium. And Erica and I made the decision to do a drawing where we stayed up for 24, 27 hours straight to get the work done. Okay. It went really well, and they invited us back for doing a drawing again in 24 hours in 96, 97, 98.
Wait, but 1998, I thought that's when you guys did that really big one, the one that encased the entire museum. That definitely did not take 24 hours.
No. So that drawing there was commissioned by the museum to celebrate their 100th anniversary, and they gave us the whole building. So 5 weeks later, we had made a 52,000 square foot drawing that wrapped the entire museum. Mm-hmm. And the day after it was done, we took it down.
Classic tape art.
Yep. So in 1999, we had already experienced the museum as a whole. We had touched every square inch of its exterior, and we wanted to do something new. So we gave ourselves the challenge of trying to do an animation in under 24 hours.
An animation in 24, that is a crazy lot of work.
Yes, so the commitments we made to ourselves were keep it life-size, which means that we're essentially tearing down parts of the drawing and redrawing them to move it forward. So every time we made a drawing, we would videotape it, then redraw it in its next position, videotape it, tear it down, redraw it in its next position, on and on. And Struan was a double threat. He could not only do tape art really well, but he was also a filmmaker. So we set up a video editing station in the back of a Volkswagen van, and we had extension cords running out to a Power Macintosh with its monitor, and as we shot the video for the animation, we were editing it in real time.
Public animation.
Right.
That's really cool.
Yeah. And the goal for us was in that 24 hours to get the entire thing done. That means all the drawing, all the videotaping, all the editing, and all the sound. We just held onto a mic and experimenting with the silliest noises that we could make.
All right. Well, why don't we take a look at this animation then?
Indeed. Thank you for watching this video. The tape we use is made for drawing. You can find it in the link in the description below or at tapeart.com. Please like and subscribe. That way we can share all the videos with you as we make them.